Hello friends, now we are going to study calculation for new value of per unit impedance when old value has been given. Let us assume we have one generator here and it has been written like 10 MVA, 25 kV, 12%. What does it means? Why it has been given as 12%? Means on the base of 10 MVA power and 25 kV base voltage, the per unit value has been given as 0.12. It has been given on base of 10 MVA and 25 kV. Now I want to change this base power and base voltage. Then what will happen if we will change the base power and base voltage means the Z base value will change, and when Z base value will change, then Z per unit value will change. Let us understand in detail. So this 10 MVA and 25 kV has been given. So this will be old, and now we are going to calculate on MVAB new is equal to 20 MVA and KVB new is equal to 50 kV. So 12% has been given on base of 10 MVA and 25 kV. Now the question has been asked, what will be the per unit value when the base power is 20 MVA and base voltage is 50 kV. So now we are going to derive one formula. We know that the value of ZPU will be equal to Z actual upon Z base. Z base means what? Z actual upon Z base. We know that Z base is equal to KVB square into MVAB. If ZPU value has been given in old, so this old means on 10 MVA and 25 kV it was 12%, means on old value of MVAB and KVB the per unit value has been given ZPU old. Now if we are changing the base power and base voltage, then the new per unit value will change. So I'm going to write here ZPU new will be what? The Z actual will be same, so Z actual into MVAB new upon KVB new square. This is, let us assume, equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So equation number 2 upon 1, what will give? So equation number 2 upon 1 gives ZPU new value. We can write ZPU old into MVAB new upon MVAB old into KVB old square upon KVB new square. So this is the formula. ZPU new is equal to ZPU old into MVAB new upon MVAB old into KVB old square upon KVB new square. So this is the formula we need to remember. So we are going to put the values. So ZPU new will be equal to ZPU old has been given as 0.12 into MVAB new. MVAB new is how much? 20 MVA upon MVAB old means on 10 MVA 25 kV it was 12%. Now we need to find on new base MVA 20 MVA and new base voltage 50 kV. So MVAB new we took 20 upon MVAB old, that will be 10 into KVB old. So KVB old is nothing but 25 upon KVB new is 50 square. So what? 0.12 divide by 2. So what we are getting is ZPU new is equal to ZPU old divided by 2. So this is the general case we are taking. On this case, the question has been asked in examination that what will happen if we double the base voltage as well as base power. What will be the effect on per unit impedance? So the per unit impedance will be half of the old value we derived from here. And also we can clearly see that this 10 MVA and 25 kV was the old value, and this 20 MVA and 50 kV was the new value. So from this equation of old and new, we can find out the new value whenever the old value of per unit value has been given. To understand the concept of new and old, we are taking one system in which two generator has been implemented. So this is the first generator and this is transmission line and this is the second generator, and the value has been given as 11 kV, 25 MVA, and X is equal to 10%. And here it has been given as 22 kV, 25 MVA, and X is equal to 20%. And the value of transmission reactance has been given as 10 ohm. So we need to find out the per unit reactance diagram for this. Considering new base, I am writing here new base KVB new is equal to be 11 and MVAB new will be equal to 25. So KVB new is equal to 11 or MVAB new is equal to 25. Or we can see from here that we have to find out the per unit reactance diagram considering 11 kV base voltage and 25 MVA base power for the whole circuit. So what will we do? First, we are going to write the new base values. So KVB new for this generator will be equal to 11 here, and if there is no transformer here, then directly it will be 11 kV, and here it will also be 11 kV. We will take one voltage and one power base for the whole circuit, so that when we calculate the final result in per unit, then it will be easy to find out the actual value. So KVB new is equal to 11 kV, 11 kV, 11 kV. When there will be no transformer, then at one point whatever the voltage we have been chosen as the base voltage, that will be same for the entire circuit. Now MVAB new. So MVAB new will be equal to 25 MVA as given in the question, 25 MVA and 25 MVA. When the transformer will present, it will have few rules. When we will be studying the transformer in the circuit, then we are going to discuss on that point. Now if transformer is not present, we are simply solving this question. So first, for first generator, for generator number 1, so old value and new value for this will be same. So ZPU of new value will be equal to same 0.1. And for transmission line, next for transmission line, we know the formula ZPU is equal to Z actual. Here the X is equal to 10 ohm has been given as the actual value, so we will implement the formula of actual value. So ZPU is equal to Z actual into MVAB upon KVB square. ZPU is equal to Z actual into MVAB upon KVB square. So ZPU we can write Z actual is 10 into MVAB. MVAB means 25 upon 11 square. This value is coming out to be 2.066 per unit. Now the third point is the per unit value, new per unit value for this generator number 2. So for this generator number 2, we know the formula and we will apply the formula of old and new. So we are going to find out the ZPU new value for the generator number 2. So ZPU new for generator number 2 will be equal to ZPU old into MVAB new upon MVAB old into KVB old square upon KVB new square. So ZPU new we can calculate by putting this value. So ZPU new will be equal to ZPU old. ZPU old has been given as this 20%. So 0.2 into MVAB new means MVAB new we have chosen 25 upon MVAB old is also 25 into KVB old. KVB old has been given as 22 because the 20% has been given on 22 kV base voltage and 25 MVA base power. Now we have to find out on 11 kV base and 25 MVA base. So the voltage will be equal to old value will be 22 to 22 upon 11 old upon new square. So this will be cancel out and 0.2 into 4 and that is coming out to be 0.8 pu. So now we have all this value. Now we are going to draw the per unit reactance diagram. Here it is reactance and here it is generator. We have calculated this 0.1 pu and for the transmission line it was coming to be 2.066 pu and for this impedance we calculated 0.8 pu and this voltages. We have two voltages and for the common voltage we have chosen as 11 kV means KVB new was 11 kV. KVB new was 11 kV. So whatever the voltage we have chosen for the circuit that will be applied to find out the per unit value of the voltage. So here it will be 11 by 11 1 pu and here the actual value is 22 kV and the new value we have been taken is 11 kV, so it will be 22 upon 11 that is equal to 2 pu. Since this question is not practical but for understanding point of view we have solved this by taking suitable values. Now we are going to solve few example when transformer will present in the circuit. So we are going to do next is find out the method when transformer will be present in the circuit and we are going to solve few question. Thank you.